Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two keyword research platform, which is Semrush and Spyfu. So to get started with the HTA comparison about these two platforms. So to get started, Semrush in 2025 is one of the most powerful keyword research platform available. It gives you massive keywords database, difficulty scores, trend graph, and a competitor's keyword analysis, all tied into a site audit, backlink tracking, and a content optimization tools. Marketers and agencies rely on Semrush to build complete SEO strategy, monitor performance, and uncover growth opportunity with data they can trust. Spyfu, on the other hand, focus heavily on computer intelligence. It not only shows you the organic keywords rival rank for us but also reveal their paid keywords and history, and also budget estimate. This makes Spyfu a favorite for marketers who want to dig into competitor strategy and quickly spot keywords gap or profitable PPC angles. And here's the very conclusion: pick Semrush if you want the most comprehensive keyword research all around SEO tools kit, but go with Spyfu if your top priority is competitors keyword spying and PPC intelligence alongside with your SEO insight. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.